A digital resume is a perfect platform to show people what you can do. But what exactly do you need to give a holistic view of your experiences? Where do you even start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. I'm Sam, and in this video, we'll be going over precisely what content you should include in your digital resume. Now let's get started. About me. To start, you'll want to create an About Me section that gives an overview of who you are, what you like, and what you're good at. Talk about your personality and character traits. Explain how you work and what your motivations are. Provide a brief list of your skills and experiences. Consider utilizing personality tests, testimonials, or personal anecdotes to back up what you have to say. Honesty is important, so don't write anything that isn't truthful. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't lean into your most positive qualities. Your About Me section is your elevator pitch for what makes you uniquely awesome, so don't be afraid to brag on yourself. Experience. Next, you should make an experience section where you can walk the reader through your past roles and other activities you've been involved in. We recommend listing anywhere between 3 and 5 examples here, depending on your individual circumstances. If you have extensive experience in a certain non-work related activity, say you're an avid volunteer, you might want to create a separate section to house that information. We'll talk more about this later. For each job or activity listed in your experience section, provide a few details about your roles, responsibilities, and what skills you utilized. Consider how you'll be using your resume when deciding what details you choose to highlight. This section should demonstrate to readers that you have the experience to back up your relevant skills. Education. Education is the foundation of personal development. That's why it's so important to include a robust education section in your digital resume. Start by listing any high schools, universities, or trade schools that you've graduated from or are currently attending. If you're a college student or graduate, make sure to include your major and degree. From there, feature some specific highlights from your educational journey, such as your GPA, certifications, academic awards, or noteworthy projects. Don't forget to include any certification programs or specialty courses you've taken. Education is hard work. Show off what you've accomplished in your digital resume. Additional sections. Now that you've got your About Me, experience, and education sections, it's time to add other sections that apply to you. Some options are extracurriculars, volunteering, hobbies, certifications, and references. It might seem difficult to find details to emphasize within these sections, so consider how you can demonstrate transferable skills such as leadership, teamwork, or problem solving. Make sure to not include too much. A lengthy resume can be unwieldy to readers, but do include a few extra sections to highlight your unique qualifications. No two people are the same, so no two resumes should be the same. Examples of your work. No digital resume is complete without showing your work. Catalog your achievements in detail with an online digital portfolio, which you can then embed within your digital resume. Our platform of choice is Bulb because it allows you to link to specific pages and collections within each section of your resume. Treat your digital portfolio as a living database of all your most noteworthy work. Update it on a consistent basis and make sure to include media such as photos, videos, audio, graphics, documents, presentations, and anything else that helps show off what you did. Show readers that you can talk the talk and walk the walk. Thank you for watching our video on what content you should include in your digital resume. These guidelines will help you curate an effective digital resume to help you stand out when you're searching for jobs, applying for colleges, or seeking out other opportunities. Have any questions or advice of your own? Drop us a line in the comments below.